I'ma just guess where I think these are gonna go because I mean I'm a human still though, but some of these don't really like it's not really like based on me. It's not really based on my opinion. It's just me guessing. Okay, crack and cocaine. Um I feel like that's pretty high. They had a entire like a whole like fucking what is the word called, bro? What's the word? They had a whole epidemic back in like the 90s and shit of people implementing drugs like this into the fucking systems of neighborhoods and shit. So I would say pretty bad. You know what I'm saying? It did irreversible damage to society. No cap. I would say pretty bad. Reddit. Is there really anybody like I would say, man, is there anybody really like addicted to Reddit? I was I guess this would be it's GG's. But it's like I feel like it's dying down now because there's way worse things, bro. Like addiction wise, I feel like there's way worse things though. Like I feel like crack and cocaine is like dying down, to be honest. Okay, hold on. Reality TV. Nigga, what? Addiction reality TV could be worse. I mean, that's not good for you, but I mean, it could be worse. Why is this one even here good for you? What does that even mean? Okay, actually, no, there is some. There is some that could be good. Okay, what do we got next? Work. Work addiction. Work addiction. Who the fuck has a work addiction? Who the hell has a work addiction? Niggas go to work to survive, bro. You don't have a choice. What you mean work addiction? I guess good for you. I guess. Okay, bro. I'll just put this in GG. Okay, I guess I'll just put workaholic is a good thing. You know what I'm saying? I mean, being productive person is good, but whatever. Okay, corn. Okay. I would say pretty bad, bro. Corn addiction is very bad, bro. Very bad. And like the thing is though, like compared or like the detrimental effects it has, compared to like other thing, Reddit is worse than corn. Shut up, please. Anyways, the like it's like you don't realize how bad it is until you genuinely been in there though. You know what I'm saying? And the way kids are growing up now and the way especially men are like growing up now, bro. It's all based off of these websites these niggas be going on, bro. Niggas brains are messed up. Messed up, bro. It is not okay. It is not okay, but niggas don't realize it. Niggas don't realize how bad it is. Weed. Hmm. Hmm. Um, I know some weirdos that would just show me shit from Reddit, like Twitter too. Yeah, yeah, there's a lot of places you could find niggas dying, definitely. Not just Reddit. Weed. I would say, man, it's still like I wouldn't say like it's good for you or it could be worse because I don't believe in like it's not that bad as like other things because yeah it still can do stuff to you. It absolutely could, bro. How is it not worse than corn? Because there's other things on here that could be worse than that too. Absolutely. Reddit as a whole, just because you see people dying, a random video of somebody dying on Reddit, what has that done to you specifically? Like, give me a effect you seeing a nigga dying on Reddit has done to you specifically, like, genuinely affects your day-to-day life. Mm, Nothing. Nothing. You seen the video. Whoa, what the fuck? It's still terrible. I never said it wasn't. Nigga, where addiction is like more about like how bad this shit affects you and how addicted you are to the point where it affects the way you live. It's still terrible. I never said it wasn't. Next, Vape. Vape, I feel like it's worse than weed at this point, bro. Like, there's so many people, you know what I'm saying? There's so many people who have gotten into it, an influx of it, especially little kids though. And I feel like vape is so much more. No, it's not even a feel like, it is way more accepted and seen normalized than weed. So I would put it higher. I'll put it higher, and people be saying, no, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's really just air, nigga. Tell me that shit in 20 years, bro. I don't even think they could tell me that in 20 years. I don't know if they could speak. Okay, next, meth. Meth is GG's, my nigga. This shit is worse than cocaine, to be honest. Worse than that, bro. Meth is definitely up there, bro. Do you see all the cities and shit? I forgot. Pennsylvania, is that one of them? I forgot where, but like, no, bro. There's a whole fucking, it's still happening to this day, like insane versions. Gambling. Gambling. Good for you. Nah, let me chill. Fuck. Gambling did bring niggas points today, though. I feel like, I would say pretty bad. Meh. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, the only reason, like, gambling, it gets bad is because you know you can win. But it gets bad to the point where if you know you can win and your idea of winning gets too serious, you can lose it all. You can lose it all. I'll say pretty bad. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, pretty bad. Next, video games. It's not that crazy. Video games. I mean, video game addiction. Nah, could be worse. Man. Well, I guess, yeah. I will put it on could be worse. I mean, if a nigga's doing what they enjoy to do, you feel me? Video games obviously sometimes can depict very insane things, but like, it's not that insane. It could be worse. It could be worse. It could be. That's why I would put it on mad, but it's not that serious. Fast food in America. In America, I mean, one of the leading reasons for death is obesity in America. You know what I'm saying? Like second to car crashes, right? I'm pretty sure. I don't fucking know, but it's pretty bad in America. In like the whole scale of the world, though, I might even put it on It's GG's, to be honest. I would put it on It's GG's. I would put pretty bad. Heroin. GG's. I mean, yeah. Okay, sex addiction. I mean, like to the point where like you don't even care what it is as long as you get it, that's it. That's me. That's me in 5. Sex addiction. I would I would say, man, it's like determined on whether and like how somebody takes it though. You know what I'm saying? Like how somebody deals with sex addiction. Like if you are sex addicted to the point where you genuinely do not care what it is, who it is, you do not care how you treat them as long as you get it, I would put it higher up, like pretty bad. But if it's just like on some like damn, bro, I really want to fuck, right? But you're not like what's hmm like you still are normal as a human though. Like you still treat people with respect and shit and see people as human. I'll put it at could be worse, so I'll put it at meh in the middle. Like Diddy type shit. No, nigga, what the fuck? No, Diddy's a criminal. Anyways, caffeine. It could be worse. I don't think it's that insane. I mean, caffeine niggas are definitely addicted, but like it's not that crazy. It's not that crazy. It's coffee. It could be worse, I would say so. Phone. Phone. Fuck, y'all should have just put internet, nigga. Y'all should have just put internet, bro. I mean, I might say it's GG's. Could be worse. I would say like fucking pretty bad. It's GG's, one of those, bruh. Especially for the younger audience, bro. Oh my god. Ooh, boy. Boy, these niggas do not. Some of these young kids do not know how to be normal no more. They do not know how to be normal humans no more, and they are so young, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm putting pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Okay, cleaning. How is cleaning? How would cleaning be a bad thing? Good for you. I mean, you gotta be cleansly. You gotta be cleansly. You gotta be cleanly. Which one is it? Cleanly or is it cleansly? It's cleanly. I'm pretty sure. You gotta be cleanly. You feel me? That's not a bad thing. I would say that's good for you. Adrenaline addiction. So like doing things that get your adrenaline spiked up, my nigga. Yeah, I mean, what's wrong with that? I mean, you like going on roller coasters to get your adrenaline pumping. You like doing crazy activity to get your adrenaline pumping. Unless you start doing shit like fucking overboard to get your adrenaline pumping, it's not that horrible. I would say could be worse because I don't think niggas who are doing insane shit are just adrenaline addicted. Like I don't think mm, I don't I would, I would say could be worse. I would say could be worse because there is like definitely cases where you could be super addicted to something like adrenaline specifically, and nothing really fills you up with it until it's the extreme shit. But that's like small cases of it though. A specifically adrenaline addiction though. You know what I'm saying? Tattoos. Why the fuck? What the hell? I mean, I'll like what is the tier in the middle of these, bro? I feel like it could be worse. It's not that insane. There's nothing crazy, but like, would it be good for you though? You know what I'm saying? Nah, I would say could be worse. Hold on, they might start doing some type of drugs. That is true. That is true. I would put it on man then. I'll put it on man. Music addiction is good for you, bro. Music is a very good way, bro. You that guy, hold on. You that guy that got his whole body tattooed? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. It doesn't hurt you though, but like it could be worse. It definitely could be worse. It don't hurt nobody for you to get tattoos, so I mean at that point, who cares? But no, music I would say is a very good thing, bro. I'm addicted to music. I love music so much, bro. Sometimes I literally just cannot literally walk around without music. I hate just I hate sometimes I forget my headphones when I'm going to class, my nigga, and it's the most annoying shit ever, bro. I don't want to hear niggas walking. I don't want to hear niggas footsteps. I don't want to hear niggas talking. Music is just so amazing. Sleep addiction. Sometimes sleeping too much could be bad for you. You know what I'm saying? It can be bad for you, but sleeping is good though. I would say could be worse, yeah. Shopping addiction. Shopping addiction, I would say man or like pretty bad, but I would say man. It's not that crazy. It's not that crazy. Eating, like I said, I mean, it's the same thing as fucking fast food, basically. Pretty bad. Not eating. I don't I mean, maybe there's like a eating is GG's. Yeah, I would say eating's a worse thing than fucking fast food because fast food is specifically only fast food, but eating is like everything, like just eating. You just want to eat for fun. I'll say pretty bad. I'll say pretty bad. Not eating though. Not eating though. I don't know if there's like a diagnosis for like not eating. You know what I'm saying? But like I would say meh. Cause like I feel like I know it's bad. Yeah, it's bad. But like in the case of like of like fast food phone and like corn, yeah, you don't if you don't you die absolutely. I'm gonna put it on pretty bad. I'll put it on pretty bad. But like I'm saying more like in like a full wide case study type shit. Like I don't feel like like it's as bad as like food related or eating wise, you know what I'm saying? Like people will. I'm gonna keep it on pretty bad still though. I'm gonna keep it on pretty bad. Okay, Jim, how is this bad? Not eating is worse than eating. Hmm. That depends. That depends definitely on like the severity of both of them. Definitely. But I feel like in more cases, eating is wider known to get niggas gone from Earth. Definitely. Than not eating. Yes, we know, but nobody is just like not eating deliberately until they die though. That like more than dying from eating, like from obesity? No. Obesity is like top 10 most what's the word? Top 10 like god damn. Top 10 death counters whatever in like the United States alone? Definitely. I know. But this is addiction though. This is addiction. Just not eating, obviously not eating, you're gonna die if you don't eat, definitely. You know what I'm saying? But this is like addiction. Definitely though, definitely you can still die from not eating though. But like I feel like a leading cause of death in America is more known as eating though, or just more as eating. Like niggas can be addicted to not eating, but I don't think they die that more often than fucking eating. Gym though. Gym addiction. Gym is pretty bad. Gym could be worse. I feel like if you take it too far though, because it's an addiction and they want more and they do steroids and drugs. I wouldn't say that I mean that could be a lead to the addiction from the addiction, but being addicted to going to the gym does not instantly mean you're instantly doing steroids and drugs though. You know what I'm saying? Addiction is taking it too far. Addiction is a scale. That's why people say you have a severe addiction or like a light addiction. That's a scale of it. But addiction is being, you know what I'm saying, doing it in a rapid order. It's more about like the scale though. I would put gym on could be worse, to be honest. Or I would do, man, I guess. Alcohol. Yeah, I mean, alcohol is what the fuck? Absolutely. Let's be for real. Microtransactions. I think niggas hate microtransactions more than actually being addicted to buying microtransaction unless it's Roblox. Unless it's Roblox, Robux, I don't know. I mean, meh, meh, I guess. What the fuck? I guess. I'll just put it on, man. But Twitter and X. Twitter and X. Twitter and X. I listen. If this was how much I hated shit on the internet or life in general, I would put this in a tier of its own, bro. Niggas on Twitter, boy. And the thing is, like, I always go on Twitter, bro. I always go on Twitter. But, bro, Twitter is different, bro. Oh my God, the humans on Twitter, you don't think there's people like that in real life. Twitter is with Reddit. I think Twitter is worse than Reddit. I think Twitter's worse than Reddit. Definitely. Definitely, bro. 100 times 10. 100 times 10. No cap. But like if we're just talking about like addiction wise on a scale, I'll just put it on man too. Anyways, TikTok. I mean, I feel like TikTok is more easy is more easy to get addicted to because it's so easy to swipe through. You know what I'm saying? Video after video after video. That's why they literally have that fucking video that comes up like, "Hey, I think you're scrolling too much on TikTok, nigga." Y'all got that video before, bro. They literally have fucking warnings in that shit, bro. And you skip it because it's easy to go through. TikTok is a low pretty bad, I would say so. You know what I'm saying? Like TikTok is crazy easy to get addicted to, but the amount of things that Twitter could cause though, like the way data is like sent through Twitter and like shit is like not Twitter, fucking TikTok, and like the media sent, it's like pretty beneficial though, because niggas are able to like express their ideas more, and it's not really like controlled by weird niggas. Twitter, like I'm talking about, nigga. Twitter, like I'm talking about, bro. Holy shit, nicotine. I mean, yeah, I mean, we know that. We know that, bro. Let's do that, bro. I would say this is a pretty good list. I would say this is a pretty good list, bro. I wasn't even planning on doing this, but hey, random tier list type shit. Random tier list type shit. Yeah.